In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change recovery phone number in Yahoo Mail. First, open your web browser and head to the official Yahoo homepage. Make sure the address bar shows the genuine Yahoo domain so you know you're in the right place. On the top right, click Sign In. If you see your account listed, choose it to continue. If not, enter your email address and your password to sign in. You may be prompted for verification if you use two-step authentication. Just follow the prompt from Yahoo to complete the sign-in. Keep your credentials private and only enter them on Yahoo's secure login page. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right again and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu. From there, select Manage Your Account. This takes you into your Yahoo account settings, where you control your personal info and security. In the account area, find and select the Security section. This is where Yahoo keeps your sign-in and recovery options. Scroll down until you see the phone number area. This section is important because it's what Yahoo uses to help you get back into your account if you ever forget your password or need to confirm your identity. Click the phone number section to open the detailed view. Now choose Add Phone Number. You'll see a field to enter your number. Make sure you pick the correct country code from the drop-down. If it isn't already set, then type your mobile number carefully. A quick tip: double check for typos before moving on, because this is the number Yahoo will use to send verification codes. Click Next to proceed. Yahoo will guide you through the on-screen verification steps. Typically, you'll receive a code by text message or an automated call. Enter that code exactly as shown to confirm that the number belongs to you. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment, ensure you have a signal, and confirm that your device isn't blocking unknown senders. You can also request the code again if needed. Once the verification succeeds, your new recovery phone number is added to your account. You'll see a confirmation on the screen and your security page will reflect the updated number. From the same area, you can revisit your recovery settings anytime to keep them current, which is a good habit for account safety. That's it. Your Yahoo Mail recovery phone number is now updated and ready to help you securely access your account whenever you need it.